Updating your personal information on Spectrum Mobile is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your details are current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account or settings section in the menu. Click on this option to access your account details. Step 3. Select personal information. In the account settings, find the option labeled Personal Information or Profile. Click on this to view your current details. Step 4. Edit your information. You will see fields for your name, address, phone number, and other personal details. Click on the Edit button next to the information you wish to update and make the necessary changes. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, ensure you click the Save or Update button to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your personal information up to date on Spectrum Mobile.